guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to go back to the whole real estate videos. A lot of you guys have been requesting more real estate videos, so I'm going to try to get those done for you. But whether you're interested in real estate or not, this video is beneficial because it's all about credit. It's all about improving your credit, and specifically because I'm a realtor, it's going to be about how to prep your credit if you are planning on applying for a home loan. So if you want to know how to get your credit ready for whatever it is that you're trying to do in life, you know, financial freedom is something that we all want, and credit is the first part of it. So if that's something that you want to do, then stay tuned and watch the video. Credit is bae, okay? But seriously, I think something that we can all agree on is that we all want to have financial freedom. I don't know anybody that would say they don't want to be financially free to do whatever it is they want. And so one of the main parts of having that as a goal is your credit. Whether you want to buy a home, whether you want to get a car, whether you want to start your own business, if you want to be debt free, if you want to have lower insurance premiums, it all ties in with credit. So I'm going to give you guys my top tips on how to prep your credit if you plan on getting a home loan, but these tips are beneficial no matter what you do. It's going to help you out. My first tip is to diligently start keeping an eye on your credit from 6 months to a year before you apply for that loan. So you always want to make sure that you're monitoring your credit, but especially within that time frame if you know you're going to be opening a home loan. And the reason you want to use that time frame is because if you notice any type of inaccuracies on your credit, you want to make sure that you have enough time to dispute it and contact the company and get the whole situation resolved before you go apply for the home loan and jeopardize not being able to qualify for it. The next thing is, if you have any older lines of credit, a lot of times you may not worry about them. You may think, oh, let me close them. I don't use them. I've had them for a long time. But that's the exact opposite of what you want to do. You actually want to keep them open. Not only will closing them negatively affect your credit, but by keeping them open and being responsible with them, like even if it's using it a little bit every once in a while, but making sure to pay it off, it shows how responsible you are with credit. It shows that you've been able to maintain this credit for an extended period of time, that you keep up with the payments, and that you're very responsible, which is obviously something that they're going to look at when it's time to, you know, decide whether or not you're able to qualify for that home loan. Having that consistent, you know, record on your credit that, like I said, you've maintained and been responsible with this credit shows that you're capable of making consistent payments. And not only that, but 10% of your credit score has to do with the length of your credit history. So if you've maintained those old lines of credit, that's only going to help you. So the next tip is to make sure that you have multiple trade lines. So that could be a school loan, that could be a car loan, it could be a credit card. So when it comes to applying for a conventional loan, you need at least 3. And when it comes to applying for an FHA loan, you're going to need at least 2. Anything less than that is going to prevent you from qualifying. So make sure that you have those established before you apply for that loan. Make sure that you refrain from opening any new lines of credit. That's only going to lower your credit score and make it even more difficult for you to qualify for that home loan. So keep what you have, maintain it, make sure it's blemish free as much as you possibly can, and do not open any more. The next tip I have is to minimize how much you use your credit. If you can pay cash for something, it's better to pay cash over credit. You want to make sure that you hold off on making any type of big purchases. You know, sometimes people get the home loan, they got the house, and think everything's great. It's like, oh, I'm going to go buy this couch, I'm going to get this, you know, this TV, this refrigerator, whatever it is. They want to start purchasing items for their home. But you're going to get to the closing table and they're going to see that and be like, oh my God, you're not going to be able to close. So refrain from purchasing anything on credit until after you have closed, you're in your home, you have the keys, and it is yours. Then you can start thinking about all the things you want to buy for your new home. But until then, don't buy anything. Unless you're going to use cash. Credit, don't buy anything. Cash is okay. So of course there's a lot of other things you can do, but those are the main key things that you want to focus on if you feel like your credit is not up to par for getting a home loan. And if you are serious about getting this home loan, or serious about, you know, fixing your credit, like I said, for it to be debt free or to start a business or to whatever your financial goals are, if you feel like you're ready to do what it takes to achieve those goals, I know this awesome company called Nove that works with people. They will hold your hand and take you step by step, whether it's sending out letters or whatever the case may be. They will walk you step by step in doing the necessary steps to make your credit where it needs to be for you to achieve all your financial goals. So the best way to contact me would be, if you're not following on Instagram, follow me there, because then you can just send me a DM, or you can look at my page and see my email, or you can send me a text at the number that I have listed on there. So that's 3 ways to contact me. Let me know, like I said, if you're serious, let's get you started on that road to financial freedom and achieving all of your goals. So I hope that video was helpful for you guys. I thought it would be good to put it out because one of the first things that I get asked about when people are interested in getting a home loan is about their credit. And so this is something that you can actually start ahead of time before you even, do the whole pre-approval process for the loan that is going to get you on the right steps to making your dream of being a homeowner or a business owner or being debt-free, whatever your financial goal is. This is going to help you with it. So, like I said, if you're serious, contact me. I know how to get you on the right path, and I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Yeah, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.